Nigerians, so come and see what Ghanaians are doing to your citizens in Ghana. This very country you call small, come and see the extraordinary things they are doing to your people.
Good day, everyone. First of all, I want to appreciate Ghanaians. Ghanaians have removed Alma of Ghana away from the street. Now she's now have a home.
All I have to say is thank you all. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Ghanaians. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you.
Hey, come and see you. Things that even you guys will not do. If you claim that you have money, so how come you left your people stranded without helping? And now is Ghanaians are coming to help them if you say you have money more than Ghanaians. Hey, to get money no be by mouth though. The heart of giving na something else. And just to let you know, as you give, more doors will open. So what are you keeping the money for? That's if you have. Yes, that's if you truly have. Well then guys, I come with a video of Ghanaians helping Nigerians. And I know this video, Nigerians will not love to see it. They will not love to see it, but as it they hot right now, they must see it. They must see it, guys. Let's take a look at the video and I'll be right back to throw more light. Let's watch.
Charlie, Etienne, good morning to all Ghanaians. I didn't even know what to say. I didn't know where to start from. But I will start from somewhere. Who am I? Who am I to be receiving this love? Who am I to be receiving this sympathy, this love, this much love, greater love from Ghanaians? I'm a nobody. I left my fatherland, family land, my land, come to this country in order to survive. And I met some good people. I'm so happy to come here. I'm so happy to come here. I'm so happy to come here. And I'm so happy. So many people yesterday asking me for my contact, sending me data, sending me airtime. Some even asked me to look for someone that have Momo account in order for them to. It's not that they are rich, oh. They are not billionaires. They are not millionaires. They are just human beings like me, good people that have human feelings. I get one of my colleagues, Momo. So I don't even know what to say. All I just want to say is that I'm grateful and I'm happy. Some even said I should not even say their name. Some even said I should not even be thanking them. That they are just doing it out of love. God, I don't know what to say. I'm just happy. I'm glad. All I have to say is thank you all. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Ghanaians. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. The more you give, the more you receive. Inshallah, bi kudirati rahman. Barakallahu fikum. Barakallahu fikum. God bless you all. God bless you all. God bless Ghana. God bless Ghana. Greater Ghana. God bless Ghana. God bless Ghana. God bless Ghanaians. I'm so happy. God bless Nigerians too. God bless all Nigerian people in Ghana. Striving hard, working hard to survive like me. God bless everybody. God bless you all. I really appreciate your support, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless Ghana. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. First of all, I want to appreciate Ghanaians. Ghanaians have removed Alma of Ghana away from the street. Now she have a home. So I want to appreciate you guys for hearing my voice and trying to support a lady from Nigeria that is not Ghanaian. This period since I make a video, like the kind of people that reach out to me, I'm really grateful. I never believed that there would be a turn up like this. Ghanaians, forever remember you guys for what you have done, because for anybody that God will punish one day, say Ghanaians hate Nigeria. This is a Nigeria girl. This is a Nigerian girl. She's in Ghana. When when I react to her video, only Ghanaians that reach out to me that try to support her. Now she now have a home. I want to appreciate you guys, especially. And
Yeah, I don't know what to say. Like, my heart is full of joy. At the same time, I'm speechless, but I don't know, like, I was so overwhelmed. I didn't even expect this huge love. Like, it's shocking. I'm so grateful, and I really appreciate you too, because you didn't know me. You just willing to help me to post me to people. God will keep blessing you, and you will never lack. Everybody that supported me, you guys, where you are getting your money from, God will enrich that place. It will never finish. Thank you so much. Me, that's why. Thank you.
maybe that's it, right? Get up. The truth is that there is somebody that's supposed to mention his name now, but it have not been permitted to mention his name. He said, "No, I did this for God and for humanity." May God bless you all.
Honestly, all of
May
them. That's
God
why
bless you all. This is why I keep on saying that it's not about what people know you for, like posting on social media. I have this, I have this. Do you have the heart of giving? The people who reach out to me to even support this girl, I don't know them, and they are not even they have been seeing me, but they themselves they are not on social, like they are not posting. They are not, like, if you see their social media handle, you will think that it's all those chigon boys. They are private because that, like, Ghanaians, you do this one, you do this one, then this one too much. Now she now have a home, and she, after the arrangement, she's going to start her business. God bless you all. I just want to appreciate you guys with this video because una too much, una too much. All the fathers, mothers who try to support her with accommodation and all, God bless you. God bless you. If I don't need that, it no go complete. And thank you guys, because with the kind of amount this guy receive with this play mood, I never expect. In Nigerian money, I can say she received more than 2 million naira to support this girl. Now she have a comfortable home, and also she's about to start business. All right, for those of you that promise that have not fulfilled the promise, you can also fulfill so that she can also add those money to her business. I believe she is okay for now. So this is what we got, and this is the house. This is the house. One room self contained, as a lady is supposed to get house. This is how she got. So this is it. She's now okay. She have a place to stay. She's not afraid of mosquito, snake, all those things again. So thank you, Ghanaians. Thank you, Ghanaians. Thank you, Ghanaians. God bless you all.
This video is for those Nigerians calling Ghana small, saying Ghanaians are broke people, they don't have money. Yes, this video is for you. Yeah, I want you guys to see what Ghanaians are doing to your fellow Nigerians in Ghana. I mean, the kind of help they give to your people, despite the fact that you guys claim you have all the money. So how come you couldn't help your own fellow country people, but rather Ghanaians are the ones helping them? I don't know how you guys think, or sometimes seriously, why would you be competing yourself with people who have the heart of giving? You that claim you have money but don't have the heart of giving is different from somebody that have little and is giving. Don't you know that giving open more doors to more success? And I think that's exactly what is making Ghanaians. I mean, God is secretly blessing Ghanaians without you guys knowing what is going on. And those kind of wealth is the wealth that everyone would love to have. I mean, yeah, you are getting it smooth and steady. Well, guys, I hope you now understand my reasons of bringing out this video, right? It's just to clear some Nigerians, yeah, their head, yeah, especially those ones thinking Ghanaians are very broke people. Like, I don't even know if people are, I mean, people in the Western world are seeing Africa to be like bush, like we have nothing. why should we blacks see ourselves like, okay, I'm above this person? Aren't we supposed to see each other as one? I don't know. This division, I think is coming from this country called Nigeria. Nigerians, you guys are the ones bringing division in Africa. And I will say it today, tomorrow, and forever. Seriously, it's high time for you to put yourself together and see every black man as your brother and sister. I mean, genuinely, because you guys can easily say that from your mouth, but inside your heart is something different that is there. If not, why? Why would you guys come out and be saying things you do not know about a country? You think Ghana is small as you think it is? You think Ghanaians don't have rich people? Is it because they don't come out and say it like you guys are doing all over the internet, showing off as if the money is genuine? Meg, your secret is already out that everyone in the world is already aware of you. Yeah, you can do anything just to make it. Do or die. And that character is very, very bad. And I just wish all you're doing will just affect you, but it's not just affecting you, it's affecting the innocent ones too. And that's the painful part of it. Well then, guys, this is what I have for today. Now the room is open for you to let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do all to like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye-bye. Hey guys, welcome back again. So this specific video is for Nigerians, especially those Nigerians seeing Ghana as small, saying Ghanaians don't have anything, they are broke, blah, 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 saying all manners of things that they do not really know about Ghana. I'm here to show you what Ghanaians are doing, not even to this set of people alone. They've been doing it to so many people. And as they see them, so we go to carry and come here. So you guys will have a different thought about Ghana, because hey, Ghana is beyond your imagination. No, it's high time for you to know now before it's too late, guys. The second video you guys watch, I think her name is Alma of Ghana, right? Yeah, for those of you that have not watched the first interview she had with John Starr, I want you guys to watch the video of her first interview, with him before Ghanaians contribute money and got her a place. You see, Ghanaians are good people. They are very good people. But the number one thing you should know is how to handle them. And the simple way for you to live peacefully in Ghana is for you to be calm and do the right thing. If you do these two things, not looking for trouble, just be on your own, do the right thing, no involve yourself in doing any negativity, then you will live peacefully in Ghana. They love truthful people. I'm not saying Nigerians, like all Nigerians are not truthful, but majority in Ghana, not at home. We have a lot of people, a lot of good people back home in Nigeria, a lot of people with good heart. I'm telling you. But the ones that are traveling, spoiling our names, now them I talk about. They are the ones I always talk about on my videos. I'm telling you, they are the ones. Guys, let's take a look at the video.
I'm here with Alma of Ghana. This is Alma of Ghana. You guys are asking for it. The girl I reacted to her video 3 days ago, Abi, that she cried out for support because things were not working well. Many people ask for her present, and many people want to know the actual work that she's doing in Ghana here. First of all, Alma of Ghana. Why the name Alma of Ghana?
Yeah, it's because when I was when I used to talk about Ghanaians, I used to talk about Ghanaian guys, how good they are, to talk about Ghana generally. So there is one day that I was doing live streaming, and couple of people asked me that, which day am I born? And then I told them that I was born on Saturday, and they said, oh, Alma will be good for you, that because you're supposed to have a Ghana name.
Ghanaian name.
Because you're always talking about Ghana, so they are the one who gave me.
All right, Alma of Ghana. As they tell me now, say me, I get Ghana name, but I know if it put up for social media because that name is a brand name. Yeah. So therefore, this is Alma of Ghana. Your real name is
Grace.
Your ID card name.
My Yoruba name is Kemisola.
Okay, Kemisola. She's a Yoruba girl. So Alma of Ghana, we want to know, according to what many people are asking for. I've received so many calls. I've received so many messages. Some people asking of your number. But I refuse to give some people because I know that they are not ready to support you. But try to call you, make you talk. I know at this particular stage of yours now, You don't need so many talk. You need you need help. When your mind is settled down, talk not be problem. You can talk. We want to know how many places you have worked in Ghana and why did you stop the work you were doing before planning to travel?
Okay. So when I first came to Ghana, I work as a sales girl in Takrady. Yeah. And then I was collecting 600 Ghana cedi there. So it's not, I'm the breadwinner of my family. I'm the firstborn of my family. To send to eat, it's not okay. And I don't want to, when I see better offer in Accra as a housemaid earning $200, I feel okay. Then I went for it. But the reason why I'm not working there right now is because my boss, she traveled back to US because she's not a
Ghanaian?
Ghanaian. So she's a Senegalese. So she just came to Ghana for sometimes, and I worked with her for 3 months. So, and right now I don't have any place to stay. Even before I was sleeping outside, but I'm on life that time. I'm on life, and a Ghanaian person came to my life and said, "Oh, why will you be sleeping outside? You that you have been talking good about Ghana, out of her good heart." He gave me 1,000 cedis to go and lodge for like 3 days. I don't know, 150. No, 300 Ghana. So for 3 days. So, and then he gave me 1,000. He said I should use the rest for it. And then I can't keep staying in hotel for a long time. I left the place. I was sleeping outside again. Yeah, so somebody met me and put me in a house. I'll be paying 30 cedis per day. So, and that house is already cracked. Anyway, I make the video, I posted it on my page. If it's near bush, like that house is not okay for me as a single lady staying alone. So that's why I crying out loud if anybody wants to help me, because I don't want to end up myself on the streets like my fellow Nigerians. I wouldn't blame them, it's because they can do it. But me, this is what I can do because I believe God will send my helper. Because it's all this walking that I'm doing up and down. Somebody have been duped me. When I went to Oman before, I went to Dubai. When I came back from Dubai, I feel like let me travel back to another country like Europe. I gave the money to agents, 1.5 million naira, to help me start the process. We do the process. And he said, if the work is not going, if they didn't give me visa, he's about to return my money. Even if it's not all, he will return like 1 million out of 1.5. And then when we start this process, my visa got declined. He didn't give me money. He didn't give me my money. After the visa got declined, I lose 1.5 million out of 5 million naira that I brought from Dubai, because I've been to Dubai.
This agent, is he a Nigerian person?
Yeah, he's a Nigerian
person.
Yeah, so he duped me. He collected my money, and I still never lose hope because I was like, I feel like let me travel again. Because the reason why I left Dubai is because there is no visa for Nigerian there. And I don't want to be living illegal because it's very worst. If they take me, they can deport me without anything. So that's why I left, and I'm regretting it even now. So I left, and I want to go to Qatar too. I got duped another one. They duped me for 500,000 naira. 500,000 naira. In Nigeria, it's very like, I don't know what to do anymore. That's why I ran to Ghana to come and hide myself, to just come and, because I want to go crazy. I worked so hard to get my money, and I got duped by Nigeria. But I'm not saying all Nigerians are bad, but it feels so.
It's a Nigerian man that dupe you 2 times now.
Yes.
So that will not be. See, the truth is that when they talk, some people no go feel understand. So this is you are suffering for some bad people behavior now. Before you cry out because of all things, I got touched when I see your video. I don't know you before. Somebody have shared your video for me before. When you were doing you mention something, this is level something, if na Nigeria now they not born you well, make you for that video. Somebody share it to me. I watched the video. My spirit don't agree to me. Sometimes I don't follow by trend. I follow by what my my instinct give to me. But when I see this video, I got touched, and I have no choice that to react to it. So now, after all sort of done, what business were you doing in Ghana recently?
I brought some boxers, men underwear, polo. So I've been selling it in Takrady too. If people can know me, I used to go and sell it for, like, if I see any people, somebody, I talk to them that this is what I'm selling. And some people will patronize me, and some people buy, some people will not buy. So the leftover, when I'm not doing the housemaid anymore, the leftover is what I've been selling to survive. And it's not enough. It's like, like what I bought is not even up to 1,000 cedis again. So I can't just keep saying, I can't just keep acting as if I'm fine
Everything
when
is
I'm
okay,
not.
whereas you're not okay.
So that's why.
Okay, guys, this is Alma of Ghana. True to God, I'm doing this video because of I respect some people so much on this social media space. As they ask for it, I have to call her to come to meet with me one-on-one. That is the reason we are here today. I was very tired because I visit those 3 girls, Santo children today, and I was just coming back when she arrived, and I have to force myself to do this video to prove to you guys that the girl is not all those kind of Nigerian girls that you guys have been seeing. Please, for those boys trying to communicate, if you know you don't have any assistance for her now, please stay clear. Yes, because this time is not the time of when someone is passing through a lot, it's not the time to be talking. It's time, okay, what can I do to assist you? Oh, if you attend to the cry, okay, take this one. She will appreciate. If you cannot do anything, I beg, just drop your comment and a word of encouragement, and it is cool. Okay, after all sort of done, what business will you be doing?
Yeah, I bought some boxers, men's underwear, polo from Nigeria. So I even sold some in Takrade while I was there. If I see people like guys going or anybody, I'm trying to tell them that I'm selling something, and they do well, they patronize me. So the leftover is the one that I've been trying to sell to survive, and it's not up to 1,000 cedis, so it's done. And all this money is not. It's not okay. I mean, I want to rent and I want to start a business. So I don't want to end up my life also on the street, because I'm not like that. I've went to Arab country working so hard. If a girl go to Arab country, you work as a housemaid, you can't come Ghana, can't they do a show now? It's not making sense. So that's why I'm not like that, and I can never do that. So this one that I'm doing now is the best that I think I could do. And I know my destiny empire is somewhere there that will help me.
All right, so we will work on the house issue. Since you have made up your mind not to travel again, because of that travel, some people don't find interest to support.
Yeah,
2 people have said it to me. Have said it to me. Who are that?
Yeah, I just
if you
want
say
to
you want to
I'm
travel, they cannot support you to travel. But if you are here, you wish to start up a business, they can support
it's
you.
not about money.
So now she have made up her mind not to travel, and she's here in Ghana. So we'll try to look for a house for her, at least 1 room self-contained. She can start from there to be able to start. After we get house for her, then the business you want to do, at least if you get money to add up with the one you have before, you will be able to do the business. They will know what to do. Okay, you don't have a Facebook now. After the settlement of house, if you still want to continue with the content on TikTok, she's going to open Facebook, and the name will be Alma of Ghana. Her TikTok handle, as you can see, it Alma of Ghana. So for those of you asking for her TikTok handle and number, you can easily locate her on that account. So bless up. For those of you trying to support her in one way or the other, nothing is too small. For those of you mocking her, I told you in my first video, may God not let this world happen to you. We are not in Nigeria for saying Nigeria happen to you. If Nigeria happen to you, it's worse than the whole world happen to you. So therefore, don't play for something like this. It's not easy. I've passed through bigger situation like this. That is what make a young man that touch my heart. So therefore, in any way you can support her, let's support her and let her be. But sometimes, ladies, una get power, because the response that is coming from from this issue is very high, and I pray that God should give them the mind to support you. So from now, we'll leave you from here. We'll give you the final update after the house issue has been